greatest thing after dig you. Yeah. Carlo, can I? Anything you do it good and done. Because if you do it wrong, when you finish and you find out the one I win that crack and up in, it will cause an objection from them we start it. So do it good. I love a girl like you see.
Which one of them?
She. I love her. Love her, man. And me fear wash her clothes and cook her food. And me fear wash your clothes and cook your food. Lotion your body.
Wife him.
Wife you. Love you and kiss you. I love your nails, them. They're not too long and they're not too short. Wow.
Yeah, you're well.
Come and chat with Tania.
Me have a business place. Me have nothing in it. No. You say me get 6 beer, 6 Guinness, 6 of everything. Yeah. Me good man.
No, put your one crate.
Look here. Look here. You see like how you're there around she? Look here. You see like how you're there around she? I'm representing our lane mode. Oh. You see, anytime she call you and tell you, say, look here, me have a shop opening, just walk. Allow me to tell you. You!
Shop opening, I'll go out with the 6
Yeah, man.
You said I'll give man a 6.
So you hear me, I said that? Look here, I have nothing when me I tell you about no cost you 10 grand.
Yeah, give
me want 6 of everything in my business. But you understand, me have the money I could do it, you know. But it's like me go around look a bar and get myself involved with one little girl. She say me cock her phone scream and in go sue me for $75,000.
Really?
Yeah.
So how you pay back?
When me go to court, me carry 15,000 on game. And me have to rest right now, but me carry go up by station, me have to sign one paper to me left. And me have 10 grand left here, and when me have 10 grand left here, she call me one day and tell me say she wants some money. And me tell her, say, look here, me have 5,000, but the 5,000 me have for you, you go up by station, go collect you and leave your phone. And she tell me, say, look here, carry the money, come give me and done with it. So me will give her 70,000.
So you're not about to give her the 5?
No, because she can't say it there.
She split it out?
Yeah.
So that the phone there?
I know me cock him from screaming.
So you get it?
Because the man come give me $1,000 and me say me I go buy one beer down at people them place. And me go buy beer and the man give me $1,000. A beer cost $300. Me buy beer for $300, $700. Me put $200 on the back. I win $1,600. I tell the girl it's a joy off. She said no money to pay me. So me when me talk to her, me take you for the phone and I talk to her and she draw my shirt to her and take your phone out of me and me give her. And when me gone on my bed, she go up a station and go say me crack her phone screen. See the time I left for Leroy.
Oh, so you did keep the phone for her?
No!
No, you just take it out of my account and say.
Oh!
Because she put it on the account and me talk to her and she said me crack her. Me crack the phone screen. I know me crack it because the woman on my shirt and joy.
Them like how you explain it, so.
Yeah.
So what then say? You still have buy back?
The police.
So how you a quarter reach?
Look, yeah man. You see when me go to court, me and the girls sit down side and side. So. For almost an hour and a half. For reach 2 hours, she got up by beside me and go outside. For almost 10 minutes. And I see she come back. So I tell myself, say, look here, I go outside go see where she depend. So when I go outside we go see where she depend, she turn up right. I dead wall if I go down the staircase. So when I go out there go see her, she turn up against the dead wall, I see she hook up on a policeman tight.
Not put ya.
Yeah. That's what I see her up on the policeman, I just do some boom and step back. See? I go down the staircase and when I go down the staircase and go in the bathroom go hold a juice. Me hear my name call. Big time if you hear me name call, me a police boy when they up call me and say, yo Miller, and I come up. He pat me on my shoulder and say, look here, you did touch your girl phone? I say yes. Here the police turn to me and say, plead guilty on the case. Pay the money and go on back home.
Me nah
Oh my, so you plead guilty?
Yeah.
Me nah plead
You should have said not guilty.
Nah plead guilty.
Why you listen to the police?
No, I said one time I run a chubby and police.
And you never guilty. You never
Guilty
guilty.
woman.
So my girl, look here. It cost me $70,000. It cost me $70,000 in January and $10,000 in February.
So you make police on the law, yeah?
Yo.
I said you should have plead guilty, so why you never explain?
Is it the fact? This is how you take.
You want to listen to me?
Yeah, listen. Yeah.
Alright, look here. You see if she put it for your throat and cut it, if your throat not probably bruised, but blood come. You see if she go court, she listen. She have 100% over you.
You feel so?
Yeah.
Because you lie, because I say me no cut you, so you go tell me.
No man, tell me that man.
So how you approach
Listen
me cut
a judge.
I take off you, man.
Yo,
You feel
you
so?
know say, you never want to. You say, I never feel truth. And you want to go win you.
With
I'm
me?
going to win you.
All when I woman have a knife for your
No,
throat.
man, nah, with me, man.
Man, you don't tell me.
You say me is a liar, tell. Me a listen here. And you say you're not a liar, me not to class if you tell lie. I tell more liar.
My girl, you believe me, say to you?
You can't
Guilty.
be charged.
Me, nah guilty. Me never guilty, man.
Alright, look here. Look here. You see when me go outside. My girl, look here. Look here.
Yes, I
But
want
I'm
to
here
go
going
here
because I'm
because
here
police
to
tell
go
me
to court.
to me nah.
Just said judge,
You want me tell the judge?
they did have to put you in truth because it. Yes.
Hold up a knife point.
So hear me,
Yes,
I
So
say.
you're right.
So look here. Me can't beat you.
That if me hold up and take sitting for you. Say me
My
hold
girl.
you up now. Seeing
My
that
girl,
knife.
you want me to tell you where me can beat you?
Yeah.
To it. You see, after when me and you sit down side and side like so, you see when you get up and leave me and tell me say you go to the bathroom, me expect you to go to the bathroom and come back and sit down.
You ask police your advice.
You understand? So listen me. You tell me say you go bathroom. Listen me. You can't stay a bathroom half an hour. You can't stay a bathroom probably 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So listen me. 5 minutes pass and I don't see you come back and sit down. 10 minutes and I don't see you come back and sit down. So listen me. I go to highway because I want to know which part you is. I want to know what happened to you. When I leave for court to go see what happened to you, I can't see you sit down. I can't see you. Look here. I saw me can't see a girl in front of the police boy, in front of a court of balaclava, you know. Suck on. Police boy, hug him up so. So if you go down the staircase, suck on upon him.
I tell if you plead guilty.
Look here. You see, beat time, me if you pass the girl, you go to the police and go downstairs and reach to the bathroom, just to pull me zip to go get a urine, me hear my name call. You see, beat time, my name for call, me not hear, but them with the up top hear me.
Someone here
So them
already
call me
video
and tell me, say,
the
look
Yeah,
here, your
man,
name
put
a
it
call.
on YouTube.
YouTube.
You hear me? You say that's my name a call, you say me go upstairs. Eh? Me see the girl hang on on a man's face so. The police man listen, touch me and say, look here, you touch your girl's phone? Me say yes. Yeah, police to me. Plead guilty. Panic case. Pay the girl her money and go on home my yard.
But he never asked you if you broke your phone. He asked you if you
No.
touch your phone.
You ask them to touch your phone.
Well, you should have said yes, me touch it, but me not broke it.
Me tell him to me touch it.
Don't pan aside there.
But he never say you broke it.
Me if you plead guilty and pay money. I'm mad.
You understand?
Nah,
Me
plead
touch
guilty
it, but
then.
me never broke it.
Officer, me never broke it. If you take up your phone, but me take up again, but me not broke. Afraid of trouble.
So look here.
That good now?
Look here. I don't blame the media. You know who me blame?
Okay.
My girl. Look here. You know who me blame? You know who me blame? Myself. Because when the man come give me $1,000 after 9, I shouldn't leave out of my place. Just relax back.
So you go there to get back $700 change and you end up spending 70,000. So the 7 extend to thousands.
Yeah. And look here. A farm in middle. And you see after when the girl gets 70,000, she call me and tell me that she want yam dashing potato and rent.
Wait.
Got farm in middle.
So you carry your man so go give
Me
her?
not go back up my house.
Oh, you not go back up
No.
there? You have to go invite me up on your farm one day though.
Yeah.
When?
Anytime. My number is 6317
Make sure I afford that
Yeah,
job,
me go write down the number.
Make sure you don't crack our screen.
You never know.
No, me I go come my farm for true.
Make sure you don't crack our screen when I go in.
Probably hear me attack and take it for joke.
Me not joke. A farming me do people with farming.
Mommy, make sure you afford in a case when I go.
But look here,
right
now you take it for joke. I can load you up with tire man, yellow yam, silvis,
Me
potato,
come man,
sweet
me want it all
cassava.
right.
Ration.
Me want it. Me I go come. Alright, so me see you then. Me see you. When I come to the farm.
A family.
Yeah man.
You believe me? Yeah?
Alright. Say bye.